Cambodia is not where I'm from, but where I feel good. When you move, you don't leave a country. You leave your people, your family. At first, you are alone. You don't know anything. The language, the culture, the food. And here we are, the doubt. Did you make the good choice? And little by little, it feels familiar. Everyone smiles. You meet people. You learn the culture, the way they live, the way they eat, the way they think. And suddenly, you're not alone anymore. Every day, everyone asks me when I'm going back to Paris. Never. Cambodia is home.